router table operation on the Lee box joint and beehive jig. The box joint and beehive jig can be used upside down on a router table. For boards up to 13/16 of an inch thick and as wide as the template's 9 11/16 inch maximum. All box joints are routed with the included Lee 160 half-inch bit and the Lee E10 guide bushing, which provides the patented joint fit. The E10 guide bushing is installed in your router table insert ring or router plate. Check with your router table, router lift, or router plate manufacturer as to what adaptation, if any, may be required for use with the Lee E-bush. 4 boards are prepared for making a box. All routing starts with the side stop in the retracted position. The first socket board is centered on the template and clamped in place. The socket board stop is locked in place against the socket board and is now set to route both the socket and pin boards. The socket board is routed by moving in and out of the template openings. This leaves a socket on each edge of the board. The socket board is then flipped end for end, placed against the socket board stopped, clamped in place, and the other end is routed. The completed socket board is removed and the procedure is repeated to route the second socket board. The pin board stop is flipped into position, providing the correct offset for the pin board relative to the socket board. The first pin board is placed against the pin board stop and clamped in place. The first pin board is then routed, leaving a pin at each edge of the board. The pin board is flipped end for end, and the other end is routed. The completed pin board is removed and the procedure is repeated to route the second pin board. With all 4 boards now routed, the box is assembled. Any joint fit adjustments are done with the E10 guide bushing. The outside barrel of the E-bush is elliptical in shape, unlike standard guide bushings which are round. Because of this, as the E-bush is turned within 90 degrees, the active diameter of the E-bush increases or decreases, resulting in a tighter or looser fit. Settings are recorded in the user guide for easy repeatability the next time you route box joints on the Lee box joint and beehive jig. For more information on the box joint and beehive jig, visit leejigs.com. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.